I had to wait a whole entire week.
What it do? It's your boy Manny Fresh coming in with another vid. And today we got an unboxing, back-to-back unboxing. Today's unboxing, it is from Foot Locker, and for once, they boxed the shoe. So shout out to Foot Locker for boxing the shoe. Shout out for having them early, but gotta give them that thumbs down because the shipping was horrendous. This shoe came out Saturday. I don't remember what day it was. Came out Saturday, but they released it early on Friday. So you know, I said, YOLO. The YouTube reviews have been like, they've been alright. Maybe I should get them and and see how it goes from there. So I ordered them on Friday. At first they said it's supposed to come Monday or Tuesday. I had to wait a whole entire week for them to get here. And then they get here at night. So I didn't even feel like filming a vid when the box came. So here we got it. We got an unboxing straight out of Foot Locker. Y'all should know what this is. Holiday season coming right around the corner. If you know what I mean. Holiday season. This is the return slip. When you guys see the box, you'll know what it is. Y'all see it. Classic throwback Jordan box. Not gonna lie, this box feels pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. But y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. Y'all gonna see it first? First before me. Ready? I don't want to see it. It feels weird. Y'all see it here. The Jordan 11 Platinum Tint, son. At first, I was skeptical and I did not want to get it. But then I started watching reviews, and you know when you watch reviews, they get you to cave in. And I kind of want more. I want to have all the 11s. Not have them all. Have like all different 11s. So like these add to the collection. And then we got the Concords next month. You already know I'm trying to get those. But the material is weird. It's not like the average Jordan 11. But you know what this looks like though? Feels like the holiday season eggnog. So I'm gonna do a review because these are sitting in stores. So if you get coupons, you go to the store and you go cop them. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Hit that like button, subscribe. We trying to get to 1K. We gotta go on the come up. We getting there, boy. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You already know. Manny Fresh. Ow.